Yes, hello. Yes, this is Hair by Clippers, and today we are going to be learning on how to do the spring twist. So, yes, if it's your first time, please make it a point by clicking on the red button, ring the bell, so that we can be learning together. So, let's do this before we go for.
Hair by Clippers. Like expected.
Alright, we are going to be doing it this way, and you can see how I'm starting it from down. Yes, we're trying to do it with the natural hair, and you see how short it is. So I'm trying to do it as individual. On this, the only trick is here, like the color of the color with the hair is somehow very different. The hair is different with the color, so I'm trying to see how it's going to look like, to see like maybe how it's going to blend with this hair, with the extension that I'm using. But the starting, this is how we always start, so that it can be protective, just like this. And then after, when I'm done with that, I can first fix the hair inside with the threads. Then I make sure that I tie hair. Sometimes the people who always do this mistake, like they just do it that way and then they twist it before tying that. And sometimes when you do something like that, it will come out starting from that point where the three stops as you're joining the twisting. So you should make sure that when you're done with that, you always tie that. And something else that I'm trying to use the gel is called molding gel. Is what I'm trying to use for this. And then trust me, it is looking very like it helps a lot, like to collect all the hair together. Then I can be able to hold them and to hold them very firm, yeah, with this extension. And there's ones who keep on asking the extension that I'm using. You can use the spring twist, it can work. And those ones who can be able to get the passion twist, it can also do the same thing. Yes, yeah, so that's why you can always try to, but make sure please you always tie here, because that makes it very firm. And then another thing, the thing that I can talk about, when you're plating this kind of hairstyle, you should beautify it. In which way? Beautifying it means you just have to make sure that you put a side line, a middle line, and so that someone can be able to hold it, or maybe making it sideways or middle line, you understand? So make sure that whenever you're trying to line your hair, like you're trying to make your line, they should always be neat. So like this kind of hair is very packed, and we wouldn't need it to be a lot on the head. So the only thing that you can do, should always try to make sure that you space it. No, sorry, you line it as you're spacing it, but you make sure that they are well lined, like they're you're reading them very nicely. So this is how you just have to do it. And here at Hair by Clippers, we work as a team. So as to make sure the work is very easy and faster, that I can choose to be starting from down, and then other people can do the finishing. Yes, this hairstyle can be done for for both straight, relaxed hair, and this one with natural hair, like the one I'm doing. So just know you can plait it if you like it. Yes, so this is how you just have to do it. And when I was when they were doing it, they were trying to do it in a micro version, in a micro twist, and then after we send it to the real spring twisting. So you can always try to be creative, and this is what I'm trying to say. So now when I reach here, I make sure that I make my lines very perfect, for everyone. Yes, because this is the very, very important thing, that if your lines are very perfect, then it means even the work that you're going to do is going to be very, very perfect. So you can see the molding gel that I use. So those ones who have been asking me about the molding gel, about the gel that I use, that is the molding gel that I always use. So you can also try it out. Yes, so for now, guys, I'm gonna be signing out, but please just watch and enjoy this tutorial. Make sure that at least you learn something from it, and please, you can always go in our comment section, tell me whatever you're watching us from, so that we can always keep in touch with you guys. Bye bye, I love you so much, and this is Hairstyle Clippers. If it's your first time, please make sure you don't skip the red button of subscribing. Yes, so that we can keep in touch. Bye bye. May God bless you all.
Saluni esingayo bulungi gwe bakukolako mwattu nonyumirwa. Nyonjo mwattu nteri efficient n'abagikolamu bakugu nnyo. Hairstyle Clippers mwebale nnyo, mutunyiriza ne mutubyula ne mutuwunda ne mutusuuza. Tusiima. Hairstyle Clippers, te quiero mucho. Hairstyle Clippers, te quiero mucho. You are neat like I expected. Saluni esingayo bulungi gwe bakukolako mwattu nonyumirwa. Nyonjo mwattu nteri efficient n'abagikolamu bakugu nnyo. Hairstyle Clippers mwebale nnyo, mutunyiriza ne mutubyula ne mutuwunda ne mutusuuza. Tusiima. Hairstyle Clippers, te quiero mucho. Hairstyle Clippers, te quiero mucho. You are neat like I expected. Yeah. One time, Youngster. Oh na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah. One time, baby. Yeah. Hey baby Chana, ya pretty Chana. Olabika bulungi uma baby Chana. Okuliddwa kaviri gwe koyolesa. Manikiwa pedikiwa nga tabu. Basiba obuviri mwato buliyo. Basiba emisono mwato giriko. Hair by clippers we baliko. If you wanna trend in style and fashion, balloon daddy. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected. Like expected. Yeah. Oh na 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 na. It like expected. Yeah. They want crochet master. A big one. Yeah yeah. Oh na 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 na. Yeah. Hair by clippers. Oh na 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 na. Hair by clippers. Balling it like expected.